Hi guys, welcome to Smoothie and Juicing Time. Today I am going to share with you another super simple juice, and we're going to be going through, let's see, what am I going to call this? It's going to be the grape juice kicker. Okay, so we've got 350 grams worth of grapes. I'm using mixed grapes, and we're going to have one apple and also a nice chunk of ginger. So I would say go about that much. If you want to add more, cool. Now, reason why I'm putting quite a bit of grapes in it, because grapes are one of the few things when you do juice, you're going to need quite a bit of them to yield a lot of content. So let's just start off. I've taken off the stems and everything just to make it easier on the juicing. But previously, when I did do this with a friend of mine, we did manage to put all the stems and everything in there, and it's still juice. Now, let's just put everything in there. Next thing I'm going to do is going to be putting the ginger as well. But I mean, if you don't like ginger, if you don't want that kick, you can use just basically the grapes and the apple. The reason why I'm adding the apple, as I said earlier, basically grapes are one of these things that you do need a lot to yield quite a bit out of them, and sometimes that can be expensive. So if you just purely want to go for the grape juice by itself, you can sort of add more apples into it. I'm nearly finished with the grapes, and then all we just need to do is add the ginger, and then just pop in the apple, and then it should be ready in 2 ticks. Now I'm using a cold pressed juicer, and a cold pressed juicers, I find that basically the best tool when it comes to juicing, especially on how much juice it extracts and how long you could store them as well. But I would suggest that at the end of the day, if you're going to be going into juicing, get any sort of juicer, whatever you feel is right, just to get started. Okay, let's just stop that. Grab a glass and get a taste test. I think that tastes amazing, but tell me what you think. Okay, just put it down in the comments what you think. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. If you want to keep in touch with all the other videos that we've got coming up, just hit the subscribe and the alert, and always feel free to share it with other people who are going to enjoy this and have more fun. Until the next time, speak to you later.